Good morning. The train arrived exactly on time today. The station was already busy with travelers carrying backpacks. A small bakery nearby filled the air with the smell of fresh bread. The first coffee of the day tasted stronger than usual. The weather forecast promised clear skies for the afternoon. A short walk helped to wake up both body and mind. The city looked different under the early morning light. Some shops were opening while others were still quiet. The sound of bicycles echoed through the street. A local market was preparing for the morning customers. Fresh fruit was arranged carefully on wooden tables. An elderly man greeted everyone with a smile. The park was full of people exercising before work. Birds were moving between the trees near the lake. A gentle breeze made the morning feel cooler. The meeting started with a discussion about new ideas. Everyone shared updates about their current projects. A notebook quickly filled with reminders and plans. A difficult problem became easier after teamwork. The conversation moved from work to travel stories. One person talked about mountains and forests. Another described a beautiful beach at sunrise. The lunch menu offers several local dishes. A bowl of noodles became the favorite choice. The restaurant was simple but comfortable. Music played quietly in the background. The afternoon passed faster than expected. A phone notification reminded everyone about tomorrow. The office slowly became quieter near sunset. The sky turned orange above the buildings. Traffic increased as people headed home. A short stop at a bookstore felt relaxing. The travel section attracted immediate attention. Several maps showed places worth visiting. A magazine featured villages surrounded by rice fields. A nearby cafe served tea with honey. The evening air felt fresh after the warm day. Streetlights reflected on the wet pavement. A family walked together through the square. Children laughed while chasing each other. A street musician played familiar songs. Several tourists stopped to take photos. The night market became more crowded every minute. Different foods created an interesting mix of aromas. A vendor recommended a traditional dessert. The dessert was sweet without being heavy. Conversations in different languages filled the air. A quiet road led back toward home. The stars were visible above the rooftops. A long day ended with a feeling of satisfaction. A new plan was made for the weekend. The next destination would be somewhere in the mountains. Travel always creates memorable experiences. Learning small local customs makes trips more meaningful. Photographs help preserve special moments. A simple conversation can lead to friendship. Trying unfamiliar food often becomes the best memory. Walking through villages reveals daily life. Every journey offers something unexpected. Patience is useful when exploring new places. Good preparation makes travel easier. A reusable bottle saves several stops during the day. Comfortable shoes proved to be important. The map was checked more than once. A short break helped to restore energy. The view from the hill was impressive. Clouds slowly moved across the valley. Farmers were working in distant fields. The sound of water came from a nearby stream. A wooden bridge connected both sides of the path. The route became steeper for a short time. The effort was rewarded by a beautiful panorama. A camera captured the changing scenery. The air felt cleaner away from traffic. Several flowers grew beside the trail. An old tree provided welcome shade. The path eventually reached a small village. Friendly greetings came from local residents. A traditional house stood near the entrance. Handmade items were displayed outside. The craftsmanship showed great attention to detail. A local meal was prepared with fresh ingredients. Stories about village life were fascinating. Time seemed to move more slowly there. The return journey offered different views. The late afternoon sun created long shadows. A final photograph marked the end of the visit. The memory of the landscape remained vivid. A train ticket was already booked for the next trip. Planning future adventures became exciting. Different seasons completely change a destination. Spring often brings flowers and green fields. Summer usually means longer days and warmer evenings. Autumn colors can transform entire forests. Winter creates a peaceful atmosphere in many towns. Every season has its own advantages. A travel journal helps organize memories. Writing down details prevents them from fading. A small souvenir can represent an entire journey. Simple experiences are often the most valuable. Watching local life can be more interesting than museums. Public transportation reveals another side of a city. Morning markets often show authentic culture. Sunsets are never exactly the same twice. Weather can change plans but create opportunities. Unexpected moments often become favorite stories. Curiosity is useful in every country. Respect for local traditions is important. Learning greetings in another language helps communication. A smile can cross language barriers. Sharing food creates connections quickly. Travel encourages flexibility and patience. Maps are helpful, but exploration is important too. Every street can lead to a discovery. The journey matters as much as the destination. Memories become richer when shared with others. Looking back on a trip often reveals new details. The world feels smaller after meeting new people. Experiences become stories worth telling. Tomorrow will bring another opportunity to explore. Last summer, I visited Sapa for the first time. The mountains were covered with clouds. The fresh air made me feel relaxed. I met a friendly local guide. We started trekking early in the morning. The rice terraces were beautiful. Many farmers were working. They smiled and waved at us. We crossed a small bridge. A river flowed quietly below. We stopped to take photos. Everyone was excited. We visited a Hmong family. They showed us their home. We learned about local traditions. They offered us herbal tea. We continued walking uphill. The view became even better. Clouds surrounded the mountains. It felt magical. We had lunch in Lo Chai. The food was delicious. We talked and laughed together. After lunch, we rested briefly. We walked to Tavan village. Children played outside. Buffaloes grazed peacefully. The sunset was amazing. At night, we joined a cooking class. We learned to make spring rolls. Everyone enjoyed the meal. It was unforgettable. The next morning, we explored more trails. Birds were singing. The weather was perfect. I took many pictures. Before leaving, I thanked the guide. I promised to return someday. Sapa gave me wonderful memories. It was one of my best trips.